so I gotta go in a minute, but I'm like have to sit right here by the fire, but I'm boiling. The fire is just watching the fire. I don't want to drink my tea because it's gonna be boiling. Waiting by the fire. What? You again? What's wrong about her? Well, oh, there's a diamond over here. We'll just take it. You'll be there tomorrow. Or it might be later, I don't know. So after gym class, I'm doing the computer. She might be here off the computer. I think she gotta take her time. I know. I'm just telling her she gotta take time. Oh, she's trying to spell Leah. L-E-A-H. Leah. Lila. Oh, Lila. No, not Lila. No, it gotta be Leo or it's Atlas. Oh, I've got my book. And it's so, but Alex, my book is over there. I don't want to go over there because my bot is that way and I gotta go past her. Only teacher hopes I don't like get never. Oh, I gotta listen. Okay. I'm just gonna pick up my keyboard. F the U. I'm bad at this. Oh, what is she saying, Leo? I can't do answer because I gotta do my work. Because I didn't study. I'm gonna get an F on this if I don't. F M K K L K L H L P J Z. I 27 points. Look, I got an A plus. So, I better do my homework after. I better. If I don't, I just say I gotta have a talk with you. Why? I just want to say. Why? Tell me quick! Well, I'm leaving. You have the best grades. Oh, thank you. She said I have nice grades. Oh, she's so sweet. Okay, I didn't study on baking either. I wish I had. Okay, I have enough butter. He gotta be here off the bacon or else I may be late to pick her up. Oh, I don't want to be late or the principal will tell me off. Okay. Oh, just stir it. I gotta be quick. Okay. 2 eggs. This will be easy. Okay, now pour in the flour. Oh, how about I look in here? kicked out of my own the school. This is like the best school ever. Okay, I submit the gates and get an A+. Because I finished so early. Oh, yeah, you got an A+! Right, she got to be here by now. Lucky she might be on the She looks gorgeous, so beautiful. I love her ombre hair. Oh, I gotta come pick her up. Don't get distracted. Oh, I was probably gonna be delayed. A boom, a boom. Okay, he's really there. In my favorite class. I can't go to PE though. I wish I could, but I need a runner. Mama, runner. He's out the carriage, so I gotta be quick. I'm so late. Wait, can I look a level? Oh, I'm on 29. Wow. What? She's more than me? I want to be higher than that girl. Well, I can't go to the fast. Wait, guys, I'm just going to take a little peek. Okay, no more peeks. Oh, she's not there. Maybe I was there at the wrong time. I'll just sit on the bench and wait then. Wait, girl. I don't see. She's not. Oh, I think I see her. Are you the new girl? Oh, I must be showing you around. I'm freezing. I have to put my hair in my nose. Do you want me to get like a drink or something? Oh, yeah. Wait, you hungry? We walked all the way here. I just made cupcakes once and they look delicious, don't they? Okay, I'm gonna give you one. Thank you. Now we gotta get you ready for school. You eat that whilst we're going. Come on, we gotta get you exercise. Yeah, I'll go and get you one. I have one in my locker in short. Or do you want to go and get a quick away? Because my locker is far away from here. Yes, I do. It's over here. Just by here. What? What's happened? Nothing. Wait, you took the diamond? Yeah. That's great. You have your first diamond today. Yes. You'll have to collect diamonds to buy a new skirt, heels, and more. You can even buy accessories. It's so fun. Okay, the bin's over here. Over right by here. I don't want to smell the bin, so I'm going to go over here. Ooh! Come on, then. Now you got to clean this locker. Oh, one locker. Okay, there's like a drink or something. I don't know why. Some water maybe? Oh, I got some great soda. Yeah, I got some great soda. I'm afraid like smoothie. I mean, you. Oh, I'm sorry. That's the only drink I have, but you can buy some. Yeah, buy. With money, I'll give you some of my diamonds and you can buy them. Well, you gotta press go. And then it will teleport you there. my locker. I got this ticket thingy. Okay, I'm gonna get my lunch. It's my tea. Yeah. Actually, I'm gonna have my tea later. It don't really matter. Well, you put your ticket in here. Oh. I can't wait to see what you ordered. You ordered burgers and fries, hamburger and fries, burger and fries. Same thing, right? Yeah. I mean, well, after dinner you will. I mean, you can see I have no sleeves on me, so. You'll get you an outfit later. Why isn't it working? It is. Oh, it just took a while. Does it normally take a while? No, you had it in your hand the whole time. You probably didn't see it. Oh, well, it's nearly, the end of school. So, yeah, you gotta get a door. It says that it changes its room to again. Oh, it's just